Ladies and gentlemen, DIY enthusiasts and perfectionists, let me take you on an adventure into the heart of woodworking and precision work. Today, we are going to discover a tool that will revolutionize your projects, a marvel of technology that combines finesse and power, the electric flush trim router from DEWINNER. Hang on, because you will soon feel the urgent need to make this tool your best ally. Click on the link in the description to learn more about its unique features, see the hundreds of reviews left by satisfied customers, and order yours now. Let's imagine for a moment, you are in your workshop, surrounded by wood of various types and an ambitious project in mind. What you are looking for is precision, ease, and above all, efficiency. This is where the DEWINNER comes into play. Whoa! With its powerful 1200-watt motor, it is designed to tackle all the most demanding tasks, effortlessly maneuvering through any type of wood. Imagine the router in your hands, feeling its quiet strength, ready to respond to your every command. Know that this electric flush trim router from DEWINNER is ideal for professional carpenters and passionate DIY enthusiasts. Offering unmatched precision and power for all types of woodworking tasks, this tool is a must-have for those looking to perform demanding tasks with ease, finesse, and professional quality results. And let's also talk about its speed. The speed is variable, ranging from 16,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute. It adapts to your needs. Whether you are working with delicate or sturdy materials, this machine offers you ultimate control. Feeling the thrill is normal. It is the call of creativity that urges you to explore new horizons, to push the boundaries of what you thought was possible. And the best part is that this product is available at the best price. By clicking on the link in the description, you will also find hundreds of customer reviews to help you make your decision. Want to change the bit? It's a piece of cake. Thanks to the spindle lock, a simple action is all it takes to switch from one task to another. And with 12 carbide bits, imagine the endless possibilities available to you. From delicate finishes to heavy grooving tasks, every movement is a promise of perfection. But don't be fooled. The machine is not only powerful, it is also smart. Its ergonomic design, ideal weight of 3.8 kilos without accessories, and soft grip are all designed for your comfort and precision, even in the noise of the workshop. With a sound pressure level of 420 10.9 decibels, it remains a pleasant work companion. Now imagine finishing your project with the router from DEWINNER. Every detail is flawless, every line is an ode to the beauty of well-done work. Your work is not just an object, it is a part of you shaped with passion and precision. But wait, because there is even more. This marvel of technology is not only precise and powerful, but also incredibly accessible. You heard that right? All these features, this professional quality, are just a click away. Imagine holding it in your hands, feeling the satisfaction of a job well done, beautiful and precise with excellent results. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to see the hundreds of customer reviews attesting to its impressive quality and to order yours at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. Let's now recap the advantages as well as the disadvantages of the electric flush trim router from DEWINNER. Advantage number 1, versatility. Suitable for a variety of tasks thanks to its variable speed and multiple bits. Advantage number 2, power. The 1200-watt motor. Ideal for working with tough materials. Advantage number 3, ease of use. Shaft lock for quick bit changes. Advantage number 4, ergonomic design, comfortable handle, and stylish design. Adaptation for prolonged use. Advantage number 5, portability. Relatively lightweight, 3.8 kilo, and easy to transport. Advantage number 6, included accessories. Delivered with 12 carbide bits and a carrying case. Advantage number 7, precise adjustments. Includes fine height adjustment and a micro-adjustable fence. Advantage number 8, compatibility with vacuum cleaner. Possibility of connecting to a vacuum cleaner for even cleaner work. Advantage number 9. Safety complies with safety standards with clear instructions to avoid any accidents. Now, let's move on to a few drawbacks. Disadvantage number 1. The need for safety precautions. Risk of injury in case of improper use or failure to follow safety instructions. Advantage number 2. Power cable. Limited to 2 meters in length, which may require the use of an extension cord for greater freedom of movement. So, why wait? Why settle for less when the best is within reach? Click on the link in the description. Order at the best price and discover the hundreds of customer reviews that have already transformed the way they work. The electric flush trim router from DEWINNER is not just a router, it marks the beginning of a new era in your projects, a promise of perfection that is waiting for you to make it a reality. So be bold, take the step V, excellence, and see for yourself what it means to work with the best. The router is essential for a bright future in your workshop, and all of that is in the description. So I'll see you shortly. Don't wait any longer, and the adventure begins.